So yesterday we were trying to do some filming out here, and this genius decided he was going to let his GoPro go over the waterfalls. Yeah, it didn't end up very well. So today we're back to see if we can get it out. This should be pretty comical. Stay tuned. Alright, now I gotta make my way all the way down there. Let's do this. Are you going first or you want me to go first?
I'm a pro at this. I can move first.
Oh, okay. Coming? Yeah. Ow! These shoes aren't made for hiking.
Told you.
You good?
Yeah. Told you they're not, but you don't have to leave.
Coming? I don't know if you can hear this, but my original plan was to go down that one. But it actually went down that one. As you can see, there's a few rocks down there. So now we gotta go down there and try to get it out. And hopefully it's still there.
He got the line. He's trying to get it out now because we got the line. No way, no way, no way. I don't think he's got it yet, but we're almost got it. He has the line, but oh, Mr. Good luck. Let's get it. Good luck, we get it. Good luck. Please, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. We got it, guys. We got it. It's over there. We got it. got it! We got it! If I didn't see that, okay, we got it, guys.
Well, that was a lot of work. Holy cow. But I got it. See? The floaty thing worked. Doesn't look like it's got water inside the case. So we'll be able to put that footage on. Wow. That was some strong water. Out of breath, out of shape. It's because I'm pretty large. Hope you guys enjoy that one. We'll see you next week.